So this video is to show the findings of the kidney in ultrasound in case of very early changes of acute pyelonephritis, UTI, and what we see in the urinary bladder. So first we will go to the urinary bladder. 35 years male patient who is complaining of burning micturition and increased frequency of urination since 7 to 10 days. His urine routine micro urine analysis, it revealed 5 to 6 pus cell in the urine. Okay, so first we will go to the urinary bladder. Now look at this urinary bladder. The shape of this urinary bladder is little bit abnormal. The normal shape of the urinary bladder is rectangular, in which the epidiameter is less and transverse diameter is more. So here, what is the abnormality is that the bladder, the shape of the bladder is distorted like this, a pot shaped bladder. There is no any terminology in the literature name as pot shaped bladder. I am just telling to make you understand better. So this bladder, it margins are like this, the shape is like this, and the pre-void volume of this urinary bladder was around 400 cc, which is called the over-distended bladder. Here the pre-void volume is 388 ml. And second thing that we are supposed to observe when there is especially the early changes of pyelonephritis, that in early changes of the pyelonephritis, the contour of the kidney becomes little bit altered. Now what type of alteration we see when there is early changes of acute pyelonephritis is that the kidney becomes swollen, and second, it becomes globular. This is look at the shape of this kidney. It is more round in shape rather than normally which is tapering at the pole. The kidneys normally they taper at the pole, but here the due to diffuse edema of the kidney, this tapering, the V shape, it has become U shape. Okay, I will show you the normal right kidney. You see this normal right kidney. You see there is a pointing over here. Pointing, not so much pointing, but just try to understand what I mean to say. That there is a pointing over here, V shape. It is more like V shape, this point over here. Now what actually had happened in the previous kidney, which was pathological, which I showed you before, in that over here it becomes U shape rather than V shape. Not U shape, but C shape, we can say, C or U. Just try to understand. Okay, don't be so much analytical on what I say about C or U. Just try to understand what I mean to say. Here there is V shape, this normal kidney, and the size of this kidney is 9.4 centimeter by 3.3 centimeter in AP view. Okay. Here you see, here there is a little bit U shape, but we are not looking at this point. We are looking at this point because when the kidney is swollen as a whole, this whole of the kidney counter becomes altered. So here, if we see, there is a pointing in that kidney, which I showed before. Can you make out the difference? This is little bit globular, and you see that the pointing over here it is not there. It is rather C shape rather than V shape, or here also. And subjectively, means if you can appreciate, this kidney has become little bit globular. This is the left kidney, that was right kidney of that patient having acute pyelonephritis. You see here the counter is still little bit more globular, and it is measuring 5.9 centimeter in APU, and here it was 4.6 centimeter in APU. Also, the left kidney is showing mild hydronephrosis also, and the fluid inside the area of hydronephrosis, it was little bit echogenic, so it could be acute pyelonephritis. Yes, here you see. Look at this. Here, this is not a V shape. It is more round. You can see, more round. So when you see the poles of the kidney which are losing their V shape counter and are becoming more and more round, then in that case such kidneys are swollen kidneys. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that many people, they ask me to write the size of the kidney in the report. Okay, it is okay to write the size of the kidney in the report, but it is not so much informative, because the normal kidney can vary from this 9.7 centimeter in length to, it can reach up to 10 also, 11 also, sometimes it may be 8 also in the longitudinal view. So rather than means going to the size of the kidney, when you comment it as an enlarged or small, it is better, especially not small, but when it is enlarged, it is better to comment on the contour of the kidney, the shape of the kidney, because when the shape is globular like this, then it is acute pyelonephritis more likely. And sometimes you will see that this kidney, although globular, but in urine analysis or clinically, you will not find much complaint. So it could be maybe early changes of acute pyelonephritis, in which the kidney is preparing to be swollen, and you may not find other clinical correlation. But the main thing is in this video to look for the contour of the kidney especially. Once again, just see this kidney and I will show you the normal kidney. Yes, here you see there is a difference. Here there is a pointing. Repeatedly telling I am that please look at this pointing. Okay, the more it becomes swollen like this at the pole, it is in favor of pyelonephritis, especially acute type. In chronic, the size of the kidney gets shrunken, and I hope you understand.